So today in our sun oven, I decided to make some apple crisp, and for lunch I made some black beans and rice and some, we had leftover pot roast, so I put that in there. But right now I made some apple crisp, and let's see what the temperature is. But you can see the sun is out nice and bright, and we are anchored, right now we're in Daytona Beach, and we're anchored in the ACW, the Intercoastal Waterway. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. I would totally appreciate that. Okay, let's see the temperature. Looks like it is up to oh, it's up to 250 degrees. Do you see that? This is nice. Apple crisp. It should be so yummy. Alright, we'll check on it later. I'll put the recipe on our website, exploresinmotion.com. But I used white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, butter, I think a little, maybe some baking powder, maybe some flour. It was a little bit too much sugar, so I think I'll eliminate the white sugar on my next try. But it was delicious. Thanks for watching.